This video will show how to install the Bayesian statistical analysis application BugsXLA. First, we need to go to this website, which is philwoodward.co.uk/BugsXLA. Here you will find lots of information about this application, which is an add-in for Excel. On the installation instructions page, this is the written description of what I'm about to take you through. On my machine, I'll be loading it into a version of Excel that comes with Office 365, which is currently the latest version. If you have a much older version, then the method is slightly different. That'll be explained on there. So we click on this download page, and we're going to download version 7 of BugsXLA. And as you can see, this happens here. The format is a .7z format. You can, if you prefer, download some zip files, although Microsoft can get very cautious with those. I find this much more convenient to work with these files. You'll need either the 7-zip software, which is free to download to extract these, or something like WinZip. So if we click on extract, we then need to tell it where to put it on our hard drive, and it's recommended that this is put under the root directory in BugsXLA 7, and we click OK. So that will have gone there. So if we now open File Explorer, we will see that this folder now exists on my C drive, and these are the files that come with BugsXLA, which includes some Excel files with some test data on there. But we need to open an Excel file, so we might as well open one of these and then manually install the add-in. To do that, we click on the file, come down to the options, and you see the add-ins options. And bottom here, you've got the Manage Excel add-ins, so you click on the Go. And now we need to browse for where the add-in is stored, and we know we just downloaded it to this BugsXLA 7 folder. So we go in there, and that's where it is. So we open it up. Just check it's ticked in this box here, which it is, so we click OK. The first time you install BugsXLA, you'll get this message, which is just telling you about some important changes that have occurred since the previous version. You won't want to see that every time, so if you just answer yes, you won't see that anymore. In the more recent versions of Excel, it doesn't automatically open up the add-in tab where you'll find it, so we need to close this file and then immediately reopen, or next time we open an Excel file, you'll find that this add-in tab now exists, which is where you're going to find the program. So here is the add-ins tab, and here are the icons that allow you to access all the features of BugsXLA. If we just select the furthest right one, which is the settings, this form comes up which tells me that the program has been properly loaded up. I'm not going to take you through any of the features of BugsXLA in this video. I'll be doing that on some other videos, and one of which is referenced below this. The only thing I will mention is in order for this to work, you need to have loaded onto your machine already one or more of these pieces of software. That's JAGs, WinBugs, or OpenBugs. And if they're not in these folders, which are the default ones that BugsXLA assumes they're in, you need to use this form to tell it where they are. So that completes this instructions on how to install BugsXLA.